Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to create a folder on client computers by using Group Policy on Windows Server 2019. The domain allows you to create a folder or files for all users who join the domain through Group Policy, and we will learn about that step by step. Open Server Manager. Then from the list of tools, click on Group Policy Management. After that, create a new policy. Right-click on the Group Policy object and choose New from the list in front of you. A window will appear in which you type a name for the new group policy. It should be noted that the name indicates an explanation of this policy. Next, right-click on the new GPO you created and select the Edit option. Under User Configuration, click on Preferences. After that, click on Windows Settings. Under Windows Settings, right-click on Folders, and from the menu select New, and then click on Folder. In the New Folder Properties window, perform the following configuration. For Action, leave it as is Update. Then enter the path to the folder. Meaning, type the path you want on the client's computer. After completion, click on the Apply button, then click on the OK button. Then close the Group Policy Editor to save the Group Policy configuration. Finally, right-click on the desired organizational unit, and select the option to link the existing GPO. Then link the group policy to the new policy that was created. Click on it, and then click OK button. You can now close Group Policy Management, and then go to any computer from your client computer, to check if the new folder has been created. Go to the path that was specified during the creation of the policy. If you do not find the file has been created, you can do a reboot of the computer, or update Group Policy via the Update command. I will reboot the computer, or sign out, and then log into the computer. Go to the specified path, and check whether the folder has been created, or not. The folder has already been created. We will assume that the user has removed this folder. Every time the user restarts the computer, the folder will be created each time. You may need to create folder for users, so keep the steps well. In the next video, we will create the folder with specific permissions, for each user or for each group separately. I hope the video is useful to you. Thank you for watching, and I hope subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.